Have you watched or posted videos online? If so, you've probably heard about copyright laws. Does this sound familiar? A YouTuber talking about how their ad revenue got taken away because they used a 5-second long clip of a song? Well, this could actually happen to you too, or it can cost you a court case. Drawing from sources like Robert A. Gorman of the University of Pennsylvania Law School, Colorado State University, and Marshall A. Leifer of Indiana University, we will be going over what copyright laws are, how they have been affected by the 1909 and 1976 Copyright Acts, and how copyright laws are more than ever relevant today because of new technology and social media. Copyright laws protect things like art, literature, and music, things that are intangible. The earliest copyright law was passed by the General Court of Connecticut in 1783. The power to create such laws is given to Congress in order to protect and see the growth of science and art. According to Robert A. Gorman of the University of Pennsylvania Law School, the main goal of giving creators exclusive ownership to their works is to further society's culture and information. The punishment for infringing on copyright laws is different per place, website, and people because they have different ways of dealing with their offenders. But generally, what the infringer does is pay the dollar amount of damages and profits, paying for all attorneys, fees, and court costs, and you could even be sent to jail. Over the years that copyright laws have existed, they have gone through drastic changes from what they were before to what they are today. Some examples of copyright laws in the past are the Copyright Act of 1909 and 1976. The Copyright Act of 1909 was signed in by Theodore Roosevelt. The act protected works published with a copyright notice. Unpublished works with a notice were protected by state law, while published works without a notice were up to the public domain. The copyright lasted for 28 years and could be renewed. Gorman describes the Copyright Act of 1909 as poorly created and lacking important details.